Parrot Shaykh Uthman ibn Farooq is repeating the question again and again, how did Judas die? Assuming that there is a contradiction in both accounts of the Bible, but there is none. There is no contradiction. Both the accounts are explaining, giving a complete, comprehensive picture. No contradiction. But how you can choke the parrot? By repeating the same question again and again? By just asking, by just pointing one question to that Muslim, to Shaykh Uthman ibn Farooq, you can choke the parrot. And that question is, how did Muhammad die? Because 99.9% Muslims, they believe that Muhammad died a natural death, a very peaceful death. But in reality, according to Quran 69:46 and Sahih Hadith, Muhammad's death was punishment with poison.